Hey guys, it's Alexis. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the dollar store Halloween slime making challenge, where I'm going to make 2 slimes out of dollar store slime ingredients and add-ins that I could find at the dollar store. Well, that's a lot of dollar store. So today I went to the dollar store to find a few items that I can add into my slime. So I'll roll those clips now. But yeah, let's get started. Woo! Okay, so we found the section. Okay, so we're walking to the Halloween section. It's over here. Oh, spider. Oh, that's not what I came for. Okay. Okay, so we found the section. Do I need a globe ball? I don't think so. Do I need golf balls? These are kind of cool. I kind of want that. Oh, she found some glitter slime. I have one of those in my house. It's kind of bad. Don't get it. So I have this flarp stuff. It's also not that good. It smells really weird. Found some googly eyes. We can use these. Wait, do I want to get the color googly eyes or the black googly eyes? The black one? Okay, got it. Okay, we're in the toy section. Move. I want to get this poodoo. I'm actually going to get this.
Is that a dead chicken?
I can't. Okay, so I'm going to get a glue. And, ooh, what are these? Pom-poms? Do they have any Halloween colors? Sure, I'll get some of those. Foam beads. Okay, we're gonna get some foam beads. I only have $20, so I can't get too much. Kind of looks really fun though. Oh my gosh, a harmonica. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I always wanted this. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, well, this is Halloween costumes. I was gonna do a Halloween costume video, but I didn't because I didn't think it would be that good. But I should have. They have like cheerleader stuff, and oh, I could be a butter. I could be a princess. We're actually going to the Halloween section now because we were just at the toy section where we found all those things, and the slime section. So we're actually going to the Halloween section now. Oh my gosh, there's someone up there. Okay, BRB. Hey, found these plastic bugs and
don't let mom see that.
Plastic bugs.
She's afraid of it.
Let's get them. Okay, how many things do we have? Like 5? Okay, found some of these. I think I'm gonna get the red ones. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Look at all this slime section. It has Play-Doh. It has this squeezy thingy. More glitter slime. More of this, which I also have. What is this? Noise putty. Some more of this stuff. Ooh, oh, nice. Oh, oh my gosh, I want all of it, but no, not today, not today. There's some acrylic paint I could use, but do I really want to get some acrylic paint? Nah, I just want to keep a white slime. I think I'm not quite sure. But this is such neon orange. Oh, what, Lauren?
There's a baby shark puzzle.
I know, we've seen that the last 500 times we've come here. Okay, so we're back from the dollar store, so I'm going to... And the second thing I got are some foam beads, but I took them out already because I'm going to use a lot of them, and they're in this cup right now. The third thing I got are some googly eyes. I thought they were kind of Halloweenish. The next thing I got are some pom-poms. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I'll just take out the black ones, or I don't know. Then I got some like creepy little bugs, spiders, crickets, just ew bugs. And I got some of these plastic red eyeballs. So yeah, let's start making the slime. So okay, so we have the bowl, so I'm gonna add in the glue, and I'm gonna make 2 slimes. I'm gonna start off by making 1 big batch of the slime, or I guess tiny batch, but like just 1 batch, and then I'll split them into 2. I'm going to dye 1 orange and I'm going to keep 1 white. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to activate the slime. So let me get some activator. Okay, so I got some activator in this little container right here. So I'm just going to little by little pour some of this in until it activates fully. kind of filled it to the top, so it's kind of spilling. So I might not need it more. So I'm just going to add that in. Also, it is a little bit of glue, like there isn't much glue. So there isn't much slime. But I think all the add-ins should make the slime a bit bigger, I hope. Well, that was quick. I think I added the perfect amount of activator. So let me just close the activator's lid. And I'm going to take the slime out. Try to get all of it. And I'm just going to knead it. I think there's a little bit of red food dye in the bowl. So it is a little pink right now. And it's just a little bit sticky. I hate it when my slimes are like sticky but also overactivated. It's so weird. My hands have glue all over them, but I have this little activator bottle that I'm going to use to get the slime fully activated. I think it's coming together. I think it'll be a good slime, hopefully. And this reminds me of a slime like that I used to make before I had like a YouTube channel, when I would just make slime with glue and laundry detergent, because for some random reason it smells like the slimes used to, which is kind of weird. Okay, so the slime is a little bit overactivated, but it's also sticky. I hate when slimes are overactivated but also sticky. That just really annoys me. So I'm going to try to knead this and get it a little bit better. Okay, so it's still a little bit overactivated, but I am going to dye the slime now. I don't have any orange, so I am using yellow and red. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it in, and as you can see, it's really rippy because it is still a little bit sticky. So I'm just gonna knead this in until it's orange. And now it looks really pretty. It looks like a sunset. Because it has like red and then orange and then yellow. Not sure if you guys can see that on the camera because the lighting's kind of bad. But it's really pretty slime. So now it's time to add the add-ins. So what I think I'm going to do is well, first of all, I'm going to get the rest of the stuff from this bowl. Okay, so I got everything that was in the bowl out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this a little less overactivated by adding some lotion or something. Okay, so I didn't really help fix the overactivation problem of this slime I just added a little bit of the white part because I had to make a new white part because I realized it was too small. I added a little bit of the white to the orange because the white is a little bit stretchier and it didn't really help that much. So now all we have is an orange and a black slime. So I think I'm going to start off by adding in some foam beads to the orange slime. It is overactivated, so I'm not sure how well it's going to go. So I'm going to put it into the bowl. Just going to add a few foam beads. And then I'm going to mix it inside the bowl so they don't go everywhere. So now with the two slimes, we are going to add in some pom-poms, googly eyes, and big eyeball things. So first let's add in some pom-poms. I'm not going to add in all of them. I'm going to save these for another time. But we're going to add in some black ones. So I'm just taking some black pom-poms, which still needs to be like pom-pommed, but whatever. I'm just taking them out of the bag and adding them into the slime. There aren't many black pom-poms, so I can't add like 100 in both slimes, but I can add a few. Okay, now I'm gonna mix those in. There were many different colors, but I think the black ones fit well. Also, I think the like fur is going to come out in the slime, but I don't really care because they look cool. And pom-poms have a really nice feeling in slime. I really like it. I feel like every now and then you see like a black part in the slime. You're just kind of making the slime a little bit more hard though. Hard to stretch and hard to poke, but I think it's an amazing slime. Okay, now we're going to add in some googly eyes. At the end I am going to mix these two slimes together. Okay, let's add some of these in. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to add some big ones and some little ones. Okay, then let me add some into the slime. Let me add a few more small ones in this slime. Okay, I think that's good enough. The slime's going to be really packed full of stuff. It's like adding too many. Okay, now let's mix in this one. The slimes are getting really filled with stuff. And now we are going to add in some fake eyeballs. I guess one fake eyeball because they can't really fit in. And then we're going to add a bug. Okay, so here's an ant. And then this one, we have a spider. Okay. So now that we have both of our slimes done, we're going to mix the two together and see how they turn out. So I'm just going to take the eyeballs and the bugs off of them. And I'm going to roll them up. And I'm going to get a thumbnail. Slime is really hard to play with because it's really big, but it is also satisfying. Oh no, the eyes keep falling off. And the ant and spider.